Sawadee Cat. Today we're going to unbox a special delivery that I've received. So hope you like the video. Please subscribe to Nene's channel, Cat.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here.
สวัสดีค่ะวันนี้เราจะมาอันบ็อกซิ่งกันนะคะ มาเปิดกล่องกันนะคะ
Yeah, should I hide away forever?
Okay, so Nespresso, got the Virtuo machine, and then we've got 3 boxes. So I don't know what these are, so we'll just open the first one, huh?
You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. Think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't
Okay.
stop. Yeah. You'll never lose me. So I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot.
So
It's almost like I can't stop.
book about the coffee,
Yeah,
get to know your machine,
always knew that this would happen.
recycling bag for the coffee pods,
Distractions,
send back to recycle,
you hear
and then
like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah, you never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. Think about you a lot. It's almost like I
select the
can't
coffee
stop.
pods. See how?
Can't stop. Yeah,
Okay,
never lose.
so
So I've been trying hard to
go for this one.
that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going.
What kind of coffee?
It's all different sorts. So
It's almost like I can't stop.
there's
Can't stop. Yeah.
all different types. So you've got espresso, you've got double espresso, you've got Grand Lugio, coffee mug, and then barista creations,
It's almost like
and then originals. So you've probably got a selection of each.
yeah. Can't stop.
This
Think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. I can't stop.
ดูสิไม่ช่วยแม่ทำอาหารกิน
Can't stop.
ให้มาเปิดกล่อง
so this is another recycling bag, and a subscription, and some more coffee.
ว้าว
So
What's that one?
that there is the Altisio. That is the espresso that I used to have.
Yeah
And then
How many?
there's about 10 in there.
And
Then there is caramel cookie.
caramel cookie.
Then there is, I don't know what that one is.
Yeah It didn't say
Yeah, yeah, but it just gives you. It doesn't tell you what it is. It just tells you the name of it.
ได้กาแฟมาฟรี
Stormio. There's a Columbia, and then there's a Furtado. Okay, and then this one. Okay. There's more coffee.
โอ้ จะกิน
This is hazelnut muffin,
ปีนึงจะกินหมดป่ะ
vanilla custard, caramel cookie, a malazzo, a Giorino, and then a Blanquier Liego and a Blanco Fortio. So that's all coffee.
Yeah
So coffee, coffee. So in these will be these.
yes
Okay, so I think I'm okay for a while for coffee, huh?
yeah maybe yes
You think? I think I'm
2
more.
4 6 8 10
That's
2
120 in there.
15 box
120.
15 กล่องนะคะเราไม่กินกาแฟอะ I don't drink coffee อันนี้ก็จะเป็น
And then
นั่นก็จะเป็นตัวเครื่องนะคะก็จะซื้อแบบเดิมที่เคยมีที่เดิมที่แคนาดา
yeah, this is the machine that we used to have in Canada.
เปิดมาก็คู่มือ
Plug, UK plug, 3 pin.
โอเค
Okay, different plug. If plug was the same as this, we could have brought the one from Canada.
Take it slow, don't be gentle. I just gotta know if you're gonna leave, then just do it.
Try not to drop it, huh? Yeah.
นี่นะคะวิธีใช้ก็น่าจะรู้แหละเพราะเคยใช้มาแล้ว
So, put water in there.
ใส่น้ำตรงนี้นะคะ
Okay.
ข้างฝั่งนี้
Goes in
นะคะ
there. To work it. So, open it. Put one of those pods in there.
yes
Close it. This light will go on. Lock it. The light will go on. Press that, and it will make a coffee.
yes
And then once
คอฟ
it's,
ฟี่ก็จะ
and then once it's finished, I'd open it, and the pod would get ejected into there. And then once that's full,
ไอ้กาแฟที่เป็นพอตมันก็จะกระเด็นมาตรงนี้
once that's full,
like
into
it.
here,
แล้วก็
and recycle back to
ใช่
Nespresso.
เอามาใส่ถุงรีไซเคิลแล้วก็ส่งไปที่ Nespresso นะคะ โอเค thank
Yeah.
you
Yeah, no problem.
โอเค สวัสดีครับ บ๊ายบาย
Cook and cap.